now it is using some other software. It is not in SAP. So there, the data is coming from that software into SAP software, right? So there could be some delay, right? So I want to use a separate posting variant for it, right? Right? Correct? Yeah. So there are so many possibilities. So the real world is not simple as like, like I have a system, I do it. Yeah, this is the step one, I will do it. Step two, this is the step, I will do it. Not like that. Every company is different, every business requirement would be different. Okay? Accordingly, you should think logically and answer. Okay?
Sir, one doubt. As we there take 1 month for posting variant period, can we consider for 1 day also there? If we want for 1 day daily wise, we want to change our posting variant, we have to close daily wise. Is it possible?
Yeah. See, you can close. Yes, it is possible. You can close the period a little bit late, right? So there could be a grace period. You can close. Yeah, it is possible. Day is also possible. Okay. Okay now. So step number 9 we are doing. We are going to open and close the period, right? So TEPV. We have not defined anything. We have to give in the TEPV now, right? Go to OB52 now. So go to OB52 guys, /n OB52. Yeah. So here you click on the new entries. Okay. So now which variant we are talking now? What is our variant name?
TEPV.
So till now there is nothing I have given. I have not opened any periods. Right. So now I am giving TEP. And in that, what are the assets? Which accounts I want to open? Which accounts I want to open? I want to open assets, customers, vendors, materials. Which one?
All.
Yeah, all. Yeah. So if you select only customers will be open. If I select only vendors will be open, right? But if I select plus,
All accounts will be open.
Accounts are displayed.
now from period to period, right? So I am giving like this. From account
September.
to account I am not giving. Why? Because account numbers are not yet created. No? We will create them later, right? No account numbers are ready now. Okay. Right. Okay. Now what I will do now? So from period to period, right? From period I am giving. Okay. Which period?
September.
September is what period now? Year
2021.
2 period 6.
Six.
Year
2021.
correct. So I will give like this. So from September to September, only one period will be open. Is it clear? So on October 1st, when the new period starts, what they do? From 7.
Seven.
Understood? So now what happened? October opened. But what happened to September?
It will be closed.
Automatically closed. So that's why this step we are calling it as open and close. And on one side we are opening, another side we are
Closing.
Close posting.
correct? Okay.
So what is pick to, sir?
Yeah, I'm coming there now. So now sometimes what happens is they may request, yeah, please don't close the period, we are dead on time, yeah, give me another couple of days, yeah, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, whatever. So what we'll do during that period, we leave it like this. Okay, so in that time what is how many periods are open now?
2 periods.
Yes.
2 periods are open, right? So after those 2 periods, then we will put it back to this, finish. Got it?
So automatically it gets closed, sir?
Yeah. Suppose if I put like this, then what does this mean?
From first period. April to
7 present. 6 periods are open.
6 periods are open.
Yeah, 7 periods are open, April to October. Correct? All the periods are open. The user can post whenever he wants, whatever he wants. So that is the importance of this particular screen. Okay? Yeah, but they don't do it like this. Na? They do it every month, one month only. Correct? So now suppose same way I will reach like this. A day will come when I will be doing like this. Got it? So what does this mean?
March.
March.
March. Correct?
Year
Year end.
ending.
March.
Sir, 22.
This is still 12 period only.
21. Okay.
Still I mean March only, right?
Okay.
So after this what will come? After this
April.
1.
22.
20. Correct? Then what, which month it is?
April.
April. So March is closed, right?
Yes.
So at the same time year is also closed, right?
Yes.
So now I will do line. So what do you think this is?
Audit period.
Audit period. Understood? So this is audit period for this year or last year?
Last year.
2021, na? Correct? So audit period, the already year is over. For that I am opening the audit page here. Okay, then why I am giving here 13? Why I am giving here 13 and 15?
3 months of audit period.
Yeah, audit period, how many periods we have? Special period?
4
Those 4 periods are after your 12 periods or before the 12 periods?
After the 12 period.
So after 12, 13, 14, 15.
15, 16.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is what is the audit.
Hello.
Yeah.
So, sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, I have a doubt. We government have to open or close in every month. It's clear.
Yes. See, sometimes this power to open and close will be with the top management from the client side itself. They will retain the power.
Okay.
Right? It is their headache. Sometimes
Yes,
it may
sir.
be given to us consultants. Then we have to take care every month. This will happen manually, not automatically.
Okay, sir.
Sir, from April to March, the year may change, no, sir.
April to March.
The year may change, no, sir. From April, we will post 2021. And again, from March, we have to post 2022, no, sir.
This is April month.
Yeah, this is April only, right? April next year. Year is changed. So are you talking about normal periods or special periods?
Normal period, sir.
Normal period, my year is changing, na? 2022 it is changing, right?
Okay, sir. If March period comes, no, then the year may change, no, sir.
So March period has already come. You understand? For the year, it was like this, na? This March period has already come.
Yes, sir.
Like this. Correct? This March has
Okay.
already come. Correct. Then I shifted. So this is so March period means what? See, this is March 2022. It is. Do not get confused. This
Okay.
is period 12/2021 means what? March 2022. Correct?
Okay, sir.
Sir.
Correct, na? No confusion.
21
Period
fiscal
of
year.
2021 fiscal year is March of 2022 calendar year.
Okay, sir.
Is that clear or not?
Okay.
Yeah. So hope everybody is clear.
Sir, can you please explain 13 and 16 again?
Yeah. So now after when I am here, what is that? My new year has started, right? When I am here, my new year has started, right?
Yes.
Yeah, next year, April has started, correct? Now at the same time, my audit period will also start, na?
Yes, sir.
Audit period of this year or last year?
Last year.
Last year.
Last
So,
year.
now those 4 periods, they are after the 12 periods or before the 12 periods?
After the 12.
What numbers? 13, 14, 15, 16. So that is how I am saying 13 of 2021, right? Already 12 periods are over. 13, 14, 15, 16 of 2021, which are the special periods.
Sir,
Yes.
if auditing period is only for 2 months like that, then we'll give only 13 and 14.
Yeah, if you have given only one, you will give 13. 13 to 13.
Then what will be in the place of 2 periods, sir?
It will be 13.
13. If it is only for 1 month.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
It is, sir, depends on fiscal year. What is it there?
Yeah, depends on their audit, how quick they are to do the audit. Yeah, next.
Sir, this is Indian calendar for US calendar.
What do you think? April to March is Indian calendar or US calendar?
Yeah, that is Indian, but we are enter US calendar. We enter their one.
Yeah, yeah.
January is their started means fiscal year Jan December. Yes. Year 1 is April.
Here, period 1, it is not month 1. Right? You should come out of your calendar zone of your finance consultant. We will talk the finance language. Period language we will talk. September I will not call it as period 9. I will call it as period 6. In India, we will call it as a period 6, not September month. September is 9th month. Na? But India, when you are generating the reports for September month, you have to generate for period 6. That is our finance language. We talk period language, not month language. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Period 1 is what? Not January. Period 1 is April year.
Sir,
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Sir,
In auditing period,
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Yes.
auditing period we need to take after physical year, or I'm not getting that.
No, audit will happen after the year or before the year.
after the year.
I am talking about statutory audit, not internal audit.
After the
Statutory
year.
audit. Statutory audit, is it required or not required? Is it mandatory?
Not
So will it happen before the year or after the year?
after the year.
Yeah, your year should be over now. So after the year we will take up, like after March is over for the 2021, that is the 12th period. Then we will
Hello,
take
sir.
up 13 to 16 as the special periods we are opening. Is it clear, everybody?
sir, in case if we are following calendar year means, then when it's coming to the period 2, no, those periods will come in the next year. Auditing period.
Here also they are coming, no? Here also they are coming, right? 2021. See here, when you are following calendar year, what will happen? When you are following calendar year, this is first period of 2022. Here it will be what it will be, right? So here also same thing, no?
Yeah,
Here
yeah.
also numbers will remain the same, right?
Okay, okay.
Because we are doing last
Last
year,
year.
right?
Correct.
Entire dates will be same in case if you are following calendar year. Here see 2022 came, but if we follow calendar year means
Not like that. What sir to say?
For calendar also you will get same 2021 only, because we are talking the audit period of last year, not this year.
okay.
Correct. See,
Hello, sir.
for US calendar year, for if your calendar year is fiscal year, now 2022 means what? You are talking about January then. Correct. January to January. Then you are opening January of 2021, no? That's last year, right? This is the 13th period of 2021 is January of this year, right? Got it?
So
Yes.
that means when next month we will
Last
change
year.
the
It
period.
will be 23 no?
Hello? Sir, that means that when next month we will change the period, we have to do not change the special period.
Exactly correct. Up to 4 months.
Okay. That will be fixed for
Up to 4 months. Correct. This is 4 months.
Audit period we need to take last year. That's it, sir.
Yes, exactly correct.
Okay. Four special periods.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes.
From month period you are closing, right? So one period means April month. Now books will close 30. If you are giving one from period 1 and from period 1 means books closing is 30/4/2022, right? That books
No,
are
books closing has happened already, right? Books closing will happen here, when we are here. Correct? There is nothing to confuse here,
Okay.
right? You are unnecessarily confusing yourself. So this is the books closing. Correct? This is the March 2022 month, but it is the period 12 of 2021. Got it?
But four particular special period also belong to the same fiscal year, no, sir?
Correct. Yes.
Okay, sir.
so 12th books will close. If you're giving like this means 12th books, March books will close 31/3/2021, right? From period 12 to period 12 means.
Yes, yes,
Hello?
yes, correct.
Okay, I want some 2 days or 3 days extension, sir. That on that situation, what can I give here? For
You can
example,
give like this.
if I give it like this means entire April month also will open, right?
March month low.
March and April both are open.
Both are open.
But I don't need whole month in April, sir. Only some days I need. In that situation, how can I give?
No, the period is posted for a period, not few days. Yeah, period is open. Yeah? Not some days. Period is open. Okay. So here it is not saying days, it is saying periods. No? You should understand the column heading.
Okay.
It is the month end activity. It is
Not
month end
days,
activity.
it's periods it is. Yeah? Okay. Okay, next. So everybody, I hope it is clear, I believe. So now I am going to do the steps, right? Now do I need to do now? We are in the 6th period like this, no? We are in the 6th period. We are in the 6th period. Do we need to open the audit period now?
No, sir.
No, right? Not required. Not required. So I am not giving. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, 2021.
sir, please explain how to select types of accounts.
Type of account, only select all accounts. Okay? We are opening for all account types. Plus.
Sir, in the real time, we will
On the drop down,
specify
we
the
select
account,
plus.
sir.
Sorry?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, in the real time, we'll get the specified account, sir.
This one, account number, from number and to number.
No, sir, in the accounts, just you have to pick all accounts, sir.
Yeah, if you want to control like only assets I want to open for some period, right? Yes, you can do separately. Yeah?
In the real time, we'll get a particular.
See, suppose there is a problem with the asset accounting, right? There is a delayed
Okay,
posting
sir.
in asset accounting. Other things you want to
Okay.
close off. Then only
Okay,
asset
sir.
you will open, other things you will close. So possible.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so now are you able to see my screen? Yes?
No, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Right. So now what I am doing? Now if I do like this, in my company code, which period will be open?
Period.
September month will be open, correct?
Yes, sir.
So but what is happening is when we are in training, suppose I am taking the classes, regularly what happens is to explain you a topic, what I will be doing, I will be going back and posting the documents, right? Suppose interest calculation is there, I will go back 2 months and I will post like that. So it will stop me, no? If I have like this, it will stop me also. So even I cannot post. If the period is closed, last month can I post now? No.
No.
Right. So for training purposes, it will be problematic, right? So every time, every topic I am explaining, I have to come here open. Correct now? So, but for training, I need some space that I want to post for last few months. I want to create the data to explain you. Correct. So that's why what I will do is for training purposes, only for training purposes, I am doing like this. Okay. So what I do like this. So what does this?
Entire year.
It will be open.
Entire year will be open, right? So this, because the power is in our hands, we are doing like this, okay? So only for training purpose. So you also, you can open like this, so that other topics, they do not get disturbed. Every time we don't want to come here and open and close, okay? So that's why we will do like this, okay?
In real time, we are open only one period.
Yeah, in real time,
We are open only one period.
Yeah, we will open only one period at a time. Correct. Correct. Yeah. So this is the only for the training purposes. Okay. Good. Now click on the save option here. Done. What is our request name?
Tesla.
Yeah, Tesla. Select Tesla now. Press enter. Okay. Good. Good. So that is about this one. Yeah. Okay. Next. Next, what it is? Next what? So go back now.
Step number 10.
Step number 10 we have 9 we have completed, correct? Yeah.
Yes,
Step
sir.
number 10. So using these 3 steps, what are the 3 steps? Creating the variant, assigning the variant, and open and closing the periods in the variant. Yeah? We are controlling the posting basically. Okay. Next is the step number 10, that is define node. Step number 10, what we will do? We will define number range for GL document type, essay document, that is OBA7. Okay, please note down. Define number range for GL document type, essay document type, OBA7. Note down. Yes.
Sir, essay also T code, sir.
This is also T code, OBA7.
What is it?
Essay is the type name. Yeah, you will understand. Essay is the name of the type.
Okay, sir.
Abbreviation for SK.
No abbreviation, just the name. Yeah, no. Like document type. See, so I will give you one example, right? Now, whenever you are doing any transaction, you will get a transaction number, right? You will get a transaction ID, transaction reference number, or transaction number, right? Okay. So suppose we have a bank is there, right? Suppose we take the example of the bank now. Now in the bank, whenever we are doing any transaction, they will give a transaction number, right? Yeah. Now the transaction number should come automatically or manually?
Automatically.
Automatically. Correct? No, the bank, so there should be some place where we should maintain the series, right? Correct. So the number is coming automatically means what? Somewhere maintain the number series, right? From that series it will pick up.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Okay. So see here, the advantage here is, suppose I am talking about some bank, say HDFC Bank is there, right? In HDFC Bank, we have transaction type. Transaction type. What are the transaction types in a bank?
Deposits, withdrawals,
Deposit. Correct. Withdrawal.
loans,
Charges, interest,
check,
Transfer.
RTS.
RTGS,
RTGS, like that.
next,
Okay, now.
Demand draft.
Yeah. Okay, demand draft and all that. Okay, now. Now what I will do, I am giving so for deposits, whenever we are doing the deposits, I need the transaction numbers, right? So now for every transaction, whether it is deposit, withdrawal or transfer, I need a transaction ID, right?
yes,